Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow dip for sweet potato fries full guide. Start by softening 1 cup marshmallows with 2 tablespoons butter in a small saucepan over low heat. Stir constantly until glossy and smooth, then remove from heat. Fold in 2 tablespoons cream and a pinch of salt to balance sweetness. Taste and adjust with more cream or a drop of vanilla for desired texture and flavor. Gently melt the marshmallows and butter together, keeping heat low and stirring the whole time for a silky dip. Once melted, whisk in cream a little at a time until you reach a thick but pourable texture that clings to fries. Season with a pinch of salt and a little vanilla to enhance flavor. Let it cool slightly so it thickens, then transfer to a serving bowl ready for dipping and sharing. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanups after snack time effortless, and its smart mapping is perfect for crumbs from fries. Consider it a small kitchen sidekick. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Experiment with flavor by stirring in a pinch of cinnamon or a dash of cayenne for a surprising contrast. For a richer profile, fold in 2 tablespoons peanut butter or a splash of maple syrup to pair with the sweet potato fries. Adjust sweetness with small amounts of cream or a little salt to balance. Serve warm so the dip stays soft, and offer extra on the side for dipping and sharing during casual gatherings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.